Today we're finding out here at the same spot again. I just missed the train, but here's like a little bit close up a bit. You can see it. It's right there. Oh my goodness, that's not fair. I literally didn't know which one was it. So at least you can see the train. I can tell it's an auto-ride train because it's passing right there. Oh my goodness, not again, dude. Like, I didn't get a chance to see what it was. It wasn't a CSX, so it wasn't a Norfolk Southern train. Oh man, I missed it. Oh. That's like a fine going piece of watermelon. Bruh. I literally missed the train right there. That wasn't even like funny or something. Oh my god, whatever it is, it's gonna go away. Well, I suggest it's gonna be the end soon. Whatever it was it. You can definitely see it from over there because you can see it passing. It's right there, that little spot right there where I'm putting my finger on. It's right there. That's the spot where it's rail fanning. Oh my goodness, when it's gonna end. Oh my goodness, when is it gonna end soon? Oh, now it's killing. Oh, there's a boxcar in the middle of it.